cross back, the hand comes over the top, and then you switch the orientation. So if you look at me, if you look at my hands up close, right? Bum, 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 bum. So I'm still going over under, it's just really tight. And what's weird about it is you have to fight the whole muscle memory of like, wait, no, but I'm supposed to be doing this in split time. I mean, that's one of the weird things about it. What you can do is you can tangle your poi to learn this, which is a very strange thing to say, but if you start off with the poi tangled and you move your hands separately, you'll feel the general idea of what it's supposed to do. Oh, and ultimately it will come undone too. Squeeze. Okay, so from there, all you do is just turn into it, right? Bum, 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 bum. Back to my forward pedal. Back to my weave. Back to my forward pedal. Back to my weave. Which, oops, you could do underhand as well. I think together time on its own, like anything, could get boring, but I think it can be such a magical way to bust out in a set where you're performing, because you could be doing all these things that are in this together time. And even with the separation, you're still in that same together time. So that when you finally do something where you're not in together time and you move into something like split time, everything has a more dramatic flair to it because you've jumped from this thing where everything looks the same to, whoa, what's going on? I think it can be a really effective performance technique for that reason.